Do you know what to say when the waiter comes?
I usually just point at the menu and smile.
Not anymore. Today we fix that.
You sit down at a restaurant in the United States. The waiter walks up and says, "Hi, my name is Jake. I'll be your server today. Can I start you off with something to drink?" You freeze. You don't understand. You smile and say nothing. That moment, every English learner knows it. And today, we fix it.
In this episode, you're going to learn exactly what to say at a restaurant in English, from the moment you sit down to the moment you pay the bill.
Real phrases, real situations. And we practice together. Listen and repeat style.
Stay with us because in a few minutes, you'll never freeze at a restaurant again.
Hi everyone. Welcome to English in Real Life.
Today's episode, Eating Out in English.
We're going to cover 5 real situations. Number 1, arriving at the restaurant. Number 2, reading the menu and asking questions. Number 3, ordering your food. Number 4, problems during the meal. And number 5, paying the bill.
5 situations, all with real dialogue, all with listen and repeat practice.
And I have a challenge for you today.
A challenge? What kind of challenge?
At the end of the episode, you're going to order a complete meal in English by yourself, no help from me.
Oh, wow. Okay, no pressure.
No pressure at all. Let's start with situation number 1.
Okay, we just walked into the restaurant. What happens first?
Usually, someone greets you at the door. In American restaurants, they always say, "Welcome. How many in your party?"
Party? We're not at a party.
I know, but in a restaurant, party means your group. How many people are eating together?
So if I'm alone, I say,
Just one, please. If you're with one more person, 2, please. Simple as that.
got it. And then they ask about a table.
Yes, they might ask, "Do you have a reservation?"
And if I don't have a reservation?
You say, "No, I don't." "Do you have a table available?" Or simply, "No reservation. Table for 2, please."
That's easy enough.
And sometimes they say, "It'll be about 10 minutes. That means you wait a little. You can say, "No problem. We'll wait." Okay, let's practice. Listen and repeat after speaker 2.
Just one, please. Table for 2, please. No reservation. Do you have a table available? No problem. We'll wait.
Great job! Now you know how to arrive at any restaurant in English. But here's the part that makes most people nervous.
The menu?
The menu. Let's go to situation 2.
Okay, the waiter gives us the menu. First problem. I don't know half the words on it.
That happens to everyone, even to native speakers sometimes. So first, let's learn some important menu vocabulary.
Yes, please.
Appetizer. This is the small dish before the main meal, like a soup or salad.
The starter.
Exactly. Then you have the main course, your big dish. Then dessert, the sweet food at the end. And beverages. That means drinks.
Appetizer, main course, dessert, beverages. Got it. But what if I don't understand something on the menu?
Great question. You ask the waiter. You can say, "Excuse me, what is this dish?" Or, "What does this come with?" That means, what other food comes together with this plate?
Oh, that's useful, because sometimes you order something and get a big surprise.
Exactly. And if you have allergies or don't eat something, you say, "Does this have meat in it? I'm allergic to nuts. I don't eat pork."
Simple and direct. I like that.
And one more thing. When the waiter comes to take your order, they usually say, "Are you ready to order?" Or, "Can I take your order?"
And if I need more time?
You say, "Can I have a few more minutes, please?" Never stress, never panic, always polite.
Your turn. Listen and repeat. Excuse me, what is this dish?
What does this come with? I don't eat pork. Can I have a few more minutes, please?
Perfect. You're doing great. Now comes the most important part of the meal, and the one phrase that most beginners say completely wrong.
Wait, what? Which phrase?
You'll find out in situation 3. Let's order.
Okay, the waiter's coming. I'm ready.
Good. Now, the most common mistake beginners make when ordering, they say, I want a hamburger.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing is wrong exactly, but it sounds a little rude in English. In English, you always soften your request. You say, I'd like a hamburger, please. Or, I'll have the pasta, please. Or, can I get the chicken sandwich?
Oh, so I want is too direct.
Too direct for a restaurant, yes. I'd like is perfect, polite, and clear.
And if I want to ask about the specials,
You say, what are the specials today? In many American restaurants, they have a daily special, a dish that changes every day, usually cheaper or fresher.
smart. And what if I want the same as someone else?
Easy. I'll have the same, please. 4 words, done.
I love that one.
And if the waiter asks, how would you like your steak? They're asking about how cooked you want it. You can say, well done, very cooked, medium, in the middle, rare, almost not cooked, pink inside.
That one always confused me.
Now you know. Let's practice the full order together.
Repeat after speaker 2. I'd like the chicken sandwich, please. What are the specials today? I'll have the same, please. Medium, please.
Excellent. Your order is in. Now you wait for your food. But what happens if something goes wrong? Uh-oh.
Don't worry, situation 4, we've got you covered.
Okay, my food arrived, but this is not what I ordered.
That happens. And most people freeze because they don't want to complain. But in English, there's a polite way to fix the problem. You say, excuse me, I think there's been a mistake.
Not aggressive, just factual.
Exactly. Then you explain, I ordered the chicken sandwich, but I got the burger. Or, I asked for no onions, but there are onions on this.
And what if my food is cold?
You say, excuse me, this is a little cold. Could you warm it up, please? Always polite. Always could you or would it be possible?
What about if I need something extra, like ketchup or more napkins?
Simple. Could I get some ketchup, please? Could we get some more napkins? Could I have some extra sauce?
Could I get? That's the magic phrase.
That's the magic phrase.
Listen and repeat. Excuse me, I think there's been a mistake. I ordered the chicken, but I got the pasta. Could I get some ketchup, please? Could we get some more napkins?
Great. You handled the problem perfectly. Now it's time for the part everybody loves, and the part where most people make one very specific mistake.
Paying the bill.
Paying the bill. Situation 5. The meal is over. Now you need to ask for the bill. In English, could we get the check, please? Or, can I have the bill, please?
Check or bill, both work?
Both work. Americans usually say check. British English says bill. On our channel, we focus on American English, so check is your word.
And now the mistake you mentioned.
The mistake is this. Many people don't know about the tip. In the United States, tipping is not optional. It's expected. Usually 15 to 20% of your bill.
So it's not included automatically.
Usually not. The waiter will bring the check and you add the tip in cash or on the card machine. If you're not sure, you can ask, is the tip included?
Good to know. And if I want to split the bill with a friend?
You say, could we split the bill, please? Or, can we pay separately?
Perfect.
Last practice. You've got this.
Could we get the check, please?
Is the tip included? Could we split the bill, please? Can I pay by card?
Okay, remember the challenge from the beginning of the episode?
Oh no, the full order. By myself?
By yourself. Ready?
Okay, here we go. Hi, Table for two, please. No reservation.
Can I have a few more minutes with the menu?
I'd like the chicken sandwich, please, and a glass of water. Excuse me, could I get some extra napkins? Could we get the check, please? And is the tip included?
That was perfect.
I can't believe I just did that.
And you know what? You just did that too. Everyone watching, you followed every situation. You repeated every phrase. You're ready for any restaurant in English.
Let's do a quick recap of everything we covered today.
Arriving at the restaurant, table for two, please. Asking about the menu, what does this come with? Ordering politely, I'd like the pasta, please. Handling problems, excuse me, I think there's been a mistake. Paying the bill, could we get the check? Is the tip included?
5 situations, all real, all useful.
If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. We make new episodes every week, just like this one. And leave a comment below. Which situation was the hardest for you? We read every comment. Next episode, we're going to the airport coffee shop, and things go a little wrong.
A little wrong?
Maybe more than a little. See you there.